Hi guys, this is the Luke 31. I haven't made a video in a long time, and I don't know why. But today we have fireworks. Great. This is just some. I just bought like 2 packs. Okay, this is like these are really good fireworks. I got 3. I got they come with 3 for 2. They're loud. Let me open it. Show you if I can show you this. Okay, so here's this one goes a little high. It's on ground, but it like reaches high. This one doesn't make noise at all. This one makes crackling noises the same height. And this is a noise one. It makes like an eagle sound. This is a T-Rex. So that's the first one. I didn't buy like 3 of these. I meant like I meant to say like about a pack of other fireworks. It's not the same as this though. Okay. Then I bought a pack called Lightning Storm fireworks. It has 10 pieces. I'll open it for you. And I can't open it with my hand because it's plastic. So that's why I got scissors. And this one cost me $6.99. It was supposed to cost the other price was $13.94. Our first one, Crystal Fountain TNT. And it's not the box, you just have to open. Oh, finally I get one that says, it says tear off lid before lighting. Really? What kind of person does it with the lid on? I mean, all of us know we can read, and of course we know it's in a box. So, I mean, we would know it's in a box. So, I mean, where's the fuse? Let's see, the fuse is in here. Oh, great, it's stuck. Okay. Second is diamond cutter. Pretty good fountain. Basically, all of these are fountains. TNT Lightning Fountain. I thought the lightning fountain was like it came with like real lightning on the front, and then it just did like a whole bunch of flashing. Let me open this. Crap. Sorry for this thing stuck. Oh, I got it. Pretty weird ones. Oh no, this is flashing fountain. I thought it was lightning fountain. Never mind. It comes with like 5 of those. Well, they're okay. They barely do anything. They just go like an inch off the ground. Okay, next. Rain dance. I've seen people on YouTube and they say that this is a really, really good fountain. It looks like it. Looks pretty cool. And again, it comes with tear off lid before lighting. Really, people? Serious? Alright, open it. a really weird looking firework. Okay, 2 more to go. Oh, okay, this one's really hard to get out. Glittering button. Oh my gosh, they have to say this in every box. Tear off the lid before lighting. And again, like this. If you want, I'll take the all white thing off so you guys can see. And last but not least, precious stones. Haven't heard of this. I don't get why it has a big hole in the bottom. See? Oh, even plastic. Well, thanks guys, and I'll do more. Comment, rate, and subscribe.